Hi, my name is Holly Reid of the Master Playbook, and welcome to our Black History Did You Know series. Today, we are talking about business icon Reginald F. Lewis. Let me tell you, he is such an inspiration. He is a titan of industry and the first African American to build a $1 billion company. I'm talking billion with a B. His story isn't just about wealth, it's about breaking barriers and setting new heights for what is possible. So, I encourage your young ones to dream big and to work hard, just like Reginald F. Lewis did. And for a deep dive, you should check out a must read called Why Should White Guys Have All the Fun? Grab a copy from our curated list of Black History Amazon finds and let's teach our kids that the sky is the limit.